Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Kantuma. I'm from Greatest Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or you can call me, okay, on any of these numbers, okay. Today I'm going to be showing you how to actually generate your detailed drawing from your staadpro software. Okay, amazing, right? Because a lot of people have challenge with how to come up with their detailing from staadpro software. Now I'm going to click on my concrete design. I have modeled this in the previous episode of this tutorial. Here you can see here we have our model. It has bring us to the RC designer. Okay, that's the reinforced concrete designer. Here we can view our detailing from here. So I'll click on envelope and I'll click on new envelope and I'm going to name this design envelope. Okay, so I'll add all of this. These are load cases. Okay, so all of them are added. I can take this off. You are going to see the combination. You can see dot load is included. The hydrostatic load is actually included as well. So they are all incorporated into all of that. Good. Now let's go to groups/briefs. On my group here, I'm going to have, let's say, beam brief. Here I'll select beam BS8110. Now from here you can as well change to other code of practice, but I'm actually going to be using BS8110. Okay, so okay, I can't find. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so here I'm going to use this to be 25. I'll make this 25. I'll make this 25 as well for my beam. I'll use 20/25 for my concrete strength. Design envelope, yeah. This I'm going to make all of this to be 16. I don't want it to be more than 16 mm. Okay, sorry, for my link I'm going to make it 10. For this I'm going to leave it 16 here, 16. For my link I'm going to make it 10. Okay, let's come back. Okay, here user grade, so I'm going to leave it at 460. I don't want this 500. Okay, so if I make it at this spacing, if my spacing is fixed, that means it's actually going to play around with my reinforcement. But if my reinforcement is fixed, it's going to play around with my spacing. So that is how the software works. Share this. Let's say 10. I'm going to use user guide, so I'll leave it at 460, or I can as well change it to 410 because I used 410 the other time, if I can remember. Here I'm going to make it 410, so 410, and I'll click on OK. Amazing. Now click on new brief. This time around I'm going to do for column, and I'll make it column brief, and I'll click on OK. Okay, 2025, no, 2025, yes, FCU here. That's guys the strength of my concrete. I'm going to leave it at 25, but I think I used 20 the other time, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember. Just leave it this way, please. 410. So you can play around with it. You know, it varies. We have 20, we have 25, we have 30, 35, 40, 45, like that. It goes in that order. User for 250, leave it at link. Yeah, is a mile still, so 250 is okay. Leave this, I'll leave this. Okay, all of this load combination, I'll add this and I'll click on OK. Perfect, right? I'll click on new brief. Here I'm going to click on slab. I'll make type slab brief. If you love what you're seeing, make sure that you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to this channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. You can see the bar size here. Since it's a slab, I'm going to make it Y12. Here I'm going to make it Y12. I'm going to make this Y12 is a slab. Okay, user guide, user grade here 410. So fixed bar size, so that means this bar size is not going to go more than this bar size, but it's actually going to play around with my spacing. So if I switch it to fixed spacing, so it's going to make my spacing fixed, but it's going to play around with my reinforcement. So I always like to provide Y12 when it comes to slab. Okay, so okay, and then here bottom minimum cover, yeah, 2020 for slab. I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'll click on OK. So when it comes to my new design group, for my design group, I'll have to sorry, first let me highlight all of these. Sorry, this cursor, I think the cursor I'm using is for element cursor. Okay. Okay, I use this. So I will right click. Sorry, let's come to members, and I'll use auto form. The good thing about auto form is it's actually give you your design as continuous. Okay, so you can see if I zoom this very well, you will discover that this beam that goes this way, this is a span, this is another span. You can see it gives you M12. So that's the essence of auto form. So it's actually represent your structural member as a continuous instead of breaking them for you. Okay, so here now I'll click here, I'll select all of my columns. Sorry, let me start with my beam. Okay, let's start with beam. I think we have a beam down here, a beam here, a beam here. Now I'm going to new design group. Now I'm going to name this beam. Then I'll click on OK. So I'll select columns, hold on Control to select my columns. Okay, fine. Now I'll click on new design group, and I'll name this column. Okay, and I'll click on this drop down, select column brief. Okay, then when it comes to slab, I'll click here for my slab, and then let's see, I think I have a slab down here. I'll click on new, and I'll name this design 1, and I'll click on OK. All right, let's come back here. I think all of this is perfectly okay now. So if we come to our concrete, let's come to members. You can see what we have there. Let's come to concrete member. So we have beam, we have column, we have slab. So concrete member. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think this is not properly grouped. I have to regroup this. So I'm just going to delete this, please. Let me come to new design group, column. I name this column and I click on OK. Okay, I think it has been grouped now because I can see that it's highlighted. Let me see. I think I have a beam here. Beam. Let me see. Okay, I think it's properly. It has been highlighted, so I now have a group there. So for my slab, let me delete this. I think I have a select slab. Okay, let's just round up with the beams and the columns. Let's see what we have. Okay, all right. Come to members. Okay, let's go to here. Concrete member. Good. None. Column none. Let's come to design. Okay, now these are the list of the columns. So I like to start with beam. So you can see all of my beams have failed, okay, because I've not run an analysis on this already. So if I click on design now, all of this is highlighted, all of this is selected here. So whichever of this beam I don't want to design, all I need to do is just to take it out. But I want this to be designed as well, so I'm bringing it in back. So I'll click on design. Warning: no standard steel grid cannot be fully verified with BS. Warning: non-standard steel grid cannot be. Okay. All right. Okay, everything is okay. All my beams are actually safe. So let me switch to column. Switch to column. I'll click on design. Click on design and I click on OK. So all of my columns are also safe. They have all passed. Okay, none of this structural member has actually failed. Okay. Form member. Let's see. Group design. Brief. Okay. Come back here. Slabs. Okay. These are actually plates. Okay. So let's say one plate has been used. Okay. Okay, what I'll do here, I'll switch to this. I'll select this and form slab. View 3D. So you can see I have a slab there. This slab. Okay. So let's go to briefs here, my slab here. I'm going to select just this one. Select slab. Okay, good. This is the only slab I have selected. I'll click on new. I'll click on one here. Click OK. Okay. So this is the slab I want to detail. Okay, so I'll come back to my slab. Now you can see what we have here. I'll come to concrete member and I'll go to design. Sorry, on my design here, comes to slab. So you can see what we have here. So let's come back to our columns here. Let's go to beam. Yeah, you can see the list of the beams we have. So each of these beam, I can view the detailed drawing. Now you can see the detailing. This is detailed drawing for this beam. So whichever beam I want to view the detailed drawing, I can view the detailed drawings for this beam. Okay. You can as well even print your drawing. So if I take this, I'll switch this to A3. The scale 1:100. DXF, yes, and I click on OK. It's going to export this as elevated tank 003. So if I go to my document, I'm going to find this there. So let's go to documents, elevated tank 003. This is it. So I'll just tap on this. I'm going to use AutoCAD to open this. Click on OK. Run program. So if you love what you're seeing, make sure you like this video. Just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. Okay, it's actually free. Just click on the red button down below and you have subscribed already. Okay, you can leave a comment down below. All right, I'll click on escape. I'll click on Z, enter, A, enter. Now you can see the detailed drawing for this. Amazing, right? So if you love what you're seeing, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. Okay, make sure that you